Hi friends, and today we're going to draw one of my favorite dolls, Zara. So we're going to start with the head. So you'll make a large U, and you can have a little dip right there in the middle if you'd like for the chin. And I would also advise today to draw with a pencil. This one's going to be a little bit more detailed. And we're also adding glasses because Zara wears glasses, eyeglasses. So you'll grab a pencil and that will help you as far as wanting to get the right shape for your glasses. And remember, does not have to be perfect, and we're going to start right about here. You'll draw a line down and it'll be sloped like so, and then you'll bring it down and then over and then up to connect. And you'll add a line there in the middle for where the eyeglasses will connect, and we'll do the same exact shape on the other side. And remember, it does not have to be perfect. A lot of times it isn't when we try to duplicate the same shape on the other side. And as always, we'll add our upside down U. You'll put the straight line at the bottom to close the eye, and then you'll add your pupil by adding that curve in the middle and your little circles for the eyes, and we'll just color that in like so. And remember, your eyes can be black, they can be brown, they can be green, whatever color you'd like for your eyes. And again, this does not have to be perfect. You can add your own details and whatever you'd like. This is your art. And we'll just draw a line at the top right here for the glasses to connect with as well. And then we're going to give Zara her eyelashes. So one long at the top and two little ones at the bottom. Long and two little ones right there. And you will add her mouth. So she's smiling. And we'll cap that smile off with those two little upside down smiles. And there she is. And let's go ahead and give her eyebrows right at the top. And again, you can add your own details and you can make your Zara doll exactly how you'd like for her to be. And there's her eyebrows. And let's go ahead and let's see. We're going to put her hair right about there. It's almost be about in the middle. And we'll do our clouds. Remember our clouds? For natural hair or wavy hair, curly hair, this is the flow that you want to give your hair. So it'll be just like you're drawing a cloud. Over, 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 like so. And you'll just continue that shape, that line shape. And Zara has, her hair is long and wavy, and so we're bringing that out. And we'll just add some wavy lines for her hair and for the strands of her hair. And you can shape her hair exactly however you'd like. Her hair is a little longer, so we're going to add some, make sure we add it at the bottom. And I'm just filling it in with more texture to show her waves in her hair. So I'm adding more wave lines to show how wavy her hair is. And I'm bringing it down some because her hair does come down towards her neck. So let's go ahead and add her neck right here. I'm just going to fill in her hair a little bit more because it comes down past the back of her head, closer to her neck and her shoulders. So we're going to bring that down some, like so. Just adding a few more. And you can add more hair or you don't have to. Whatever you'd like to do for your work of art. And just add some more hair there, like so. Zara has a lot of beautiful hair, so we're going to make sure we add in all of those waves for her texture. And she's wearing a t-shirt, so let's cap off the neck and bring the other line of her t-shirt collar, like so. Then she's wearing a jacket, so you'll bring out a line at an angle like so. We're going to curve it in. We're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So an angled line here, which is the top of her jacket collar. we're going to curve that in like so. Then we're going to draw the ends of the collar like so and curve it a little bit, or it could be a straight line. It doesn't have to be curved exactly like mine. And then we're just going to bring those lines, they're like the inseam of her jacket. So I'm just copying those lines. And then we're going to bring her jacket out a tad bit like so with that little line and bring it down. And you'll draw the same shape on the opposite side, on this side, as close as you can get. It doesn't have to be perfect or exact. Then you bring a line down like so. You can either bring it straight or kind of curve it like I did on the first line. And we'll bring a little line going back like so on each side. That's the bottom of her jacket, of her jean jacket. And so we're going to add a little dot here, here. Then we're going to bring down a line like so at the bottom of her jacket and add a button. On this side, we'll bring the line down to a straight line down to the bottom of her jacket. You'll add your buttonhole right directly across from the button. And then we'll add another buttonhole, and we'll add a third button and the last buttonhole. And remember, you can add any details you like. If you don't want your jacket to have buttons, it doesn't have to. So on this side, we will bring down a line like so. She's actually wearing a sweater over her jean jacket, so that's going to be the line for our sweater. We'll bring that down. We're going to repeat that on this side as well. And it doesn't have to be perfect, remember? And we'll bring that there. That's going to be the bottom portion of her sweater. So we'll add some details. So let's close off the jacket, the bottom of the jacket to meet the sweater with those lines there. And you're more than welcome to add any details you'd like. I'm going to add a pocket. Put a line there, and that's the top of the pocket. I'm going to bring the side of it down with the line there. And then that's going to be the bottom of the pocket and connect it. You can only see half of it because the other half is under the sweater. And I'm going to repeat that on the opposite side. May look a little different, but she also has a pocket on this side as well. Putting a line there, just add a little detail above the pocket. And I guess I'll add another line. And you're more than welcome to add more lines, add more buttons, pockets, however you like. Zara has a Z on her t-shirt, so we're going to make a large Z right here. So you'll take a line across, and then you'll basically draw a block letter Z. We're going to wave the bottom of the Z a little bit because she is wearing a t-shirt, so it wouldn't be completely flat. It would have some movement, so we're just going to wave it like that. And remember, you can add any details you'd like to the t-shirt. So we're going to go ahead and draw the bottom of her t-shirt like so, and we're going to wave the line a little bit because normally the bottom of t-shirts aren't completely straight. And then you'll just top that off with a similar line above it. And let's go to finishing up our sweater. So we're going to bring out her shoulders, and you can start on either side you'd like. And you just bring the top of the sweater down where her shoulder would be. And you'll bring that down like so. That would actually be her sleeve. And we're going to bring that in just a tad bit with the line and bring it back down. That creates the outside of her cuff. Then we're just going to connect that with the bottom of her sweater. And her hands are in our pocket, so you won't be able to see her hands. We're just going to bring a line from here to here, and then you'll put another line here going up. And remember, this is your drawing. Have fun. You can put in details or you don't have to. This is your drawing. Make it your own. You do not have to follow my drawing exactly. If that helps you, that is great. That's what I'm here for. So what we're going to do is on the opposite side, try to create what we just did on this side. It won't be perfect, but we have to add it because she has to have the other side of her sweater. So we'll bring that down like so. Bring her shoulder and that line down. Then we'll put a line there for her sleeve. And right here we'll bring that cuff on down like we did on the other side. And let's connect that to the bottom of the sweater right here. It's a little thinner, but that's okay. That's that side of the sweater. And then what we're gonna do is let's put some stripes. She has some stripes on this arm of her sweater. Just make sure you do 2 lines per stripe. And let's go ahead and add her legs. So she has on leggings. So we're gonna start about here and the line gets smaller towards the ankle, and you just make that same leg on the other side. And she has stripes and socks on, which we'll be able to see once we color. So we'll put stripes there, and then her socks go over her leggings. So we just add those lines there for her socks and her leggings. And then we're going to add her shoes. Zara has on boots. So to get the boot look, we're going to start with a line going down here at an angle and then one across from it. And then you'll connect it with the shoelaces by drawing these lines across to the other side. And we'll bring the top of her boot up like so. And then we'll make the bottom. So that would be like a top view of her boot. So that right there, you'll do like a U shape to connect to the other side, like so. And we'll just make the outside of, we'll go back over that line or that circle to make it darker because her boots have a sole, a darker sole. So then we'll just duplicate what we just did, drawing the same boot on the opposite leg, like so. And you can just do your best to copy it the exact same way. And I'm just darkening the shoelaces, adding a little loop for the tie at the top, like so. And those are just little circles you can add. And that's our Zara, and I'm just going back over some of the lines to make them a little bit darker. And I'm just adding an extra line there for her socks because she actually had taller socks and the leggings. And the last part of it, we're gonna add balloons in the Z, like so. And you just fill that whole Z up with little tiny balloons flying up, down, and sideways. And if you don't like balloons, you can add circles, you can add stars, any shapes you like. Add them to the middle of your Z. This is your design. You can design it exactly how you like, but we're giving Zara balloons because that's what she had on her t-shirt. And then let's see, what else can we add? You'll just want to add any details that you like. So normally a sweater has lines, and that gives you details to distinguish it between a sweater and a jean jacket. She's wearing a jean jacket and a sweater. So what can distinguish the difference of the two? We're going to add lines in her sweater. So we'll do that. And we're going to put those lines, I guess we can start right about here. You can start anywhere you'd like, really. And I'm just giving her one more line for her sweater. Just feel like that should do it for her sweater. I'm just gonna add lines because her sweater has texture. So we'll add these lines here, going up. They'll go up and down, like so. And I'm putting it on that side, there. Alrighty, and that looks like we're all done. We're all set. Look at that. I love this sweater. Just adding a little bit more, but yeah, there we go. Our Zara doll. Isn't she lovely? And I can't wait to see yours. Here's how I colored mine. I added color to the hair and the clothes. You can color it any way you like. Make it your own and have fun. Thanks for drawing with me. Till next time.